Hello guys, good morning to all of you guys. Hope you all are doing very good. I'm also doing good guys. Just coming from my morning walk today. Today is, I think, what date is today? Today is. So guys, I'm watching a series on Netflix in English because of I want to improve my English, so I'm watching an English series, that is American series, and it's very famous in children. So name is Stranger Things. Hope you all have watched it earlier. So guys, as you know, I am very much talkative. You have realized now I am very much talkative. So guys, in this series, Stranger Things, there is a boy who thinks that humans are spoiling the earth. And he is not happy with his life. He thinks, what humans doing? Just eat, sleep and repeat. And reproducing so many humans, and they are doing so dirty things on earth. Earth is become very populated, and he developed his mind as much as that he becomes monster. He wants to destroy all human beings, and his parents didn't realize what he's doing, so he killed his mother too, and his sister. His father did not realize he is doing. He thinks that some monster has come to his home and doing all this. And he was in coma, the boy, and one doctor was treated him, and the doctor was very smart. He treats him and realized that boys has some extraordinary power. So he took him in his lab and research on him. And doctor was also some kind of monster. He wants to be like. So guys, the series was in English. I can watch in Hindi. You can watch in Hindi too. But I am watching in English because of my English communication. So maybe I did not understand as much. So doctor knows that this boy has extraordinary strength, power. So he took his hormones, some kinds of, and he developed so many children like them and research on them. He wants to create a more powerful than him. He wanted to create lots of children like him, like powerful. So in this process, doctor developed a girl and put her name 11, and that boy first boy, that's name was 1, and 11, and after so many episodes you realize 11 really becomes more powerful than 1. One day 11 and 1 were very good friends, but one day when 11 realized that he is destroying, he is killing, he has temper issue and he killed so many children which doctors has made, and 11 saw this, and he used they both fight like anything, and 11 was more powerful. And 11 forced him like shh, and one was dead. 11 forced him in wall, and 11 was like in becomes in so many particles. He cracked down cracked down, and so becomes so many tiny particles and flow away. And that wall where 11 pushed him becomes they are parted away. And so you have watched, and you think that one was killed by 11. No, one was went in another world, that is beneath our earth. In childhood, we have learned that there is we have in Hindi, we know that Patal Lok. That's so they also. So 1 went in Patal Lok, beneath our earth, and he becomes huge monster. And where there was a crack, doctors came. One was killed. Doctor fight with doctor too, and he some kind of harm him. So when one was killing the children, lab children, he fight with doctors too. He hurt him too. Doctor's head was cracked. But doctor came, and he thinks 11 did all this. But he searched one was not there, and he saw the crack on wall. So he realized that 11 has done with one, and one was destroyed. And he researched on that crack that one can't be destroyed. So he went somewhere in Patal Lok. He was very smart doctor. So there in lab they have research on that wall. And so on that wall there were a door. Some doctors goes and watch what was there in dark. Just means that was Patal Lok. But monster developed a similar door to another area, and he comes and eat so many humans, like teenage children. He eat, and slowly he becomes more powerful. That was one. Sorry guys, I'm spoiling your story. If you want to watch it's, and I'm spoiling your this drama, but you must have to watch this. It's a very beautiful created water photography. And the 11, oh my god, the girl, her name is Millie Bobby, I think. What is Millie Bobby? Miley Bobby or what? She's so beautiful. She's doing so good. You can't imagine. You can't blink your eyes off. She is so perfectly doing. I'm watching the series just because of her. She's so perfect. When she comes, you see the spark. So enough of Sorry guys, I'm spoiling your drama. This series, you have to must watch this. It's a very fantastic series on Netflix. The Strangest Things. And the girl 11, she is so perfect. Her name is Millie Bobby Brown. I think her name is Millie Bobby Brown. She's so good looking and so perfectly doing her character. You can't take your eyes off, guys. So must watch this series, guys, and let me know. And thank you for all this conversation with me, guys. This is not conversation because you are not talking. So bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Take care and God bless you all, guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Thank you.